Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5072033, because of this error code, that is 0x80071a2d. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, or apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down at the bottom somewhere, you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. And once this is done, now you can go back to Windows settings, Windows Update, and then click on check for update. If you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working, you can run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and paste it on the same window. And once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description, and then you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5072033 on Microsoft Update Catalog website. Click on search, and over here check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, and here you can see in my case it's version 25H2. So check your version and then open Windows settings, go to system, and then scroll down, go to about option. Over here in my case the system type is x64, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download, and over here you will see the update KB5072033. Click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. Once it is complete, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option over here, and then here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once that is done, restart your computer and then update. Still not working, then the last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and run this exe file, and then you have to click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This will take some time. Once done, click on finish option. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, run the setup file, click on it, click on yes to allow, and then click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. This process will take some time. Once the installation is done, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11 and you should be able to install this update. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.